The topic for interpret histograms and bar charts is the next one that I'm going to do. And a histogram, it looks like a bar graph, except like all the bars are touching. And it shows usually a range of numbers. So they tend to be like age or temperature or things that have to do with like numbers, not like colors or sports or something like that. So it says the graph below represents a survey in which students stated the number of minutes they'd spent watching TV the previous day. So make sense of your graph before you start to answer questions about it, please, because that helps you. Okay, here's the time they spent watching TV in minutes. Here's the frequency, so the number of students. So we get the number of students right here. So for this range, we had 2 students. For this range, we had 4 students. In this range, the highest range, we had 12 students. 12 students watched 60 to 89 minutes. So that makes sense. But a lot of them probably said, oh, I watched about an hour, right? When they answered the question. So it says, how many students watch TV for less than 60 minutes? So what you have to do is say, okay, which ones are less than 60 minutes? Well, anything from 0 to 59. And so all these students represented right here are going to represent the answer to what they're asking. So I had 2 students in this section and 4 in that one. So altogether, that's 6 students. Okay, so just put the number 6 in. Now they show you in the example, they kind of put a lot of explanation here, which can feel like a good thing, but then it can also feel a little bit overwhelming. So could they kind of identify, okay, this is 60 and higher, so we're going to go less than that. So pay attention to those words: less than, more than, exactly. Okay. Here is another example. Looks very similar. The graph below shows represents how long it takes students in the 6th grade math class to get to school every morning. What's the longest amount of time a student in this class could have spent? So they're asking you again to make sense of what this question of what's happening on that graph. What's the longest amount of time somebody is in the car? Okay. If you think about at our school district, we have some students who ride the bus a long time. Okay. And if you can't see it, and it looks like it's a little bit blurry for some reason on my screen today. So it's 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and so on. This is 50 to 59. So the longest we have represented is 59 minutes on that particular question. That's it. Okay. So not 50 to 59, 59. Okay. And then oh, that was it. That was the last one I have for that one. I'm getting so excited. I'm about to do my next topic. We'll see you on the next video.